Hello guys, welcome back to another lesson here on Speak English with John. When do you use said and told? Many learners are still confused about when to use said, the past tense of the verb say, and told, the past tense of the verb tell. The difference is actually very simple. Let me explain it to you. So stick around till the end of this lesson and make sure to hit that like button below. The reasons for this confusion is because their meanings are so close. The main meaning of the verb tell is to speak or write something to someone. And the main meaning of the verb say is to use your voice to express something in word. The most important tip to remember is that to use the verb tell, the information must be communicated to someone because you can't just tell something, right? You have to tell something to someone. This is not, however, true with the verb say. So in this lesson today, you will learn some useful rules to remember when using these two verbs correctly with examples. Let's start with tell. Tell is used mainly to share information and normally only when the receiver of the information is mentioned. Do not use for quote. Let's see some examples. Has she told you the good news yet? Please tell us your name and occupation. Can you tell your story to me? One exception to this rule is that the verb tell can also be used to describe the sharing of less factual information, such as jokes, stories, and lies, without mentioning a receiver of the information. He loves telling stories. I am telling the truth. These are all less factual informations, and as you can see, a receiver of the information isn't mentioned. And here comes the verb say. Say is used for exact quote and when the receiver isn't mentioned in the sentence. Good morning, said the woman. I just stopped by to say hello. Say is also used to express opinions. I wouldn't say that he's a great guitarist. I don't think he's a great guitarist. They say that you should drink 8 glasses of water a day. From these examples, you can note that the speaker is simply expressing his or her opinion about something. Here is another rule to remember. Said or say plus something. Told or tell plus somebody something. You say something and you tell somebody something. Linda said that she was sleepy, and Linda told me not to wake her up. As you can see, told is usually followed with a personal object or a name of a person. Me, her, him, Linda. But the verb said does not need a personal object. If you want to use said with a personal object instead of told, you must add to someone. Said plus to someone. He said to me that he was sleepy. Anne said to him that she wanted to go home. Mike said to me that he loved me. Remember, she told to me that she was sleepy is incorrect. She told me that she was sleepy is correct. He told that he likes Jews is incorrect. He said that he likes Jews is correct. Anne said Jack to go away is incorrect. Anne told Jack to go away is correct. Anne said Jack that she was sleepy is incorrect. Anne told Jack that she was sleepy is correct. I hope you found some value and learned something. Show me some love, guys. Hit on that subscribe button below and the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. For more of these confusing English words, be sure to check out on my previous lesson here. Keep the learning going. I will see you in my next class. Bye.